Hello, this is Johnny. I was going to show you how to suck the oil out from the tank. Make sure that this round thing, there's an arrow pointing this way. That means the oil suck into this tube and then push it out. Okay, so when you squeeze, it suck the oil into here, and you let go and you squeeze it out. Suck, release. Okay, so you want to make sure it's totally empty. So you do it fast. So it's not suck it one time and it keep on. You just have to repeat this sucking cycle until it's totally dry. Look like it's almost completely dry. I bought this machine, it's about like a year old, and it won't start. I already changed out the spark plug, and it still won't start. So I'm returning the wheel and trying to take this portion out so I could clean it, because this cover came off and the dust, everything went inside. And I think that's what damaged the thing, so it won't work no more. Alright, so this is the first video showing you how to do that, and I think it's finished. So I'm gonna bring it up closer to show you that there is an arrow pointing this way, and that's how you know which direction to go. Okay, and then you just put this in, use a clip to clip it on the corner on both sides. And I got this from Amazon, so I'll give you the link where I got this. It's the first time doing this, so I'm learning how to do this at the same time I'm showing you. Okay, let's go to the next step.